Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where keyboard is typing multiple letters at once, then please watch this video. Now a lot of websites and channels suggest resetting the keyboard even though there is no option to reset the keyboard, there's a workaround. But I say that no, that is not the problem. Either your laptop has been infected by a virus or malware, or there may be a third party software which is causing the problems, or it could be sticky keys or filter keys. So we will troubleshoot it accordingly. So first of all, disable sticky keys and filter keys before anything else. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the accessibility tab, scroll down and select keyboard and uncheck all the three buttons here. The next one is a virus scan. Okay, search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and open Windows security, and then go to virus and threat protection. Click on scan options, select full scan, and then click on scan now. And then the next one is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic. Hit enter. Now this will open the hardware and devices troubleshooter, but it has been disabled now. So let us ignore this one. The next one is to update the keyboard drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Okay. Now update the keyboard drivers in the sense expand the list for keyboard drivers. Right click on each one of them and then select update driver. And the last one is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.